Hello, my name is Jason Verdiger. I am 13 years old. I am from Facatativá, Cundinamarca, but I live El Rosal, Cundinamarca. I live from my uncle in your house. It is an engineer. Usually he work in home office every days. I like play soccer. I like play tennis. I like play guitar. The other things. So I am single. I don't like cooking. I prefer listening to music at the wash dishes at the watch clothing. I like study business administration at the university. I am a person responsibility. I am a person safe and good person, quiet and friendly. Now, I speak about my home. My apartment is small, is safe, is sweet and comfortable. There is a bedroom. There is a bedroom. It is a great place at night. So there is a small bathroom. There is a shower and toilet. There is a living room. The living room there are places small. There are 3 chairs, a big color base. There is a home theater zone and the big TV. There is some 30 pictures on the wall. In the kitchen there is a stove, there is a toaster, there is a refrigerator, there is a fryer and there is a blender. On the dining room there are 4 chairs and big table made of glass. In the studying room there is a big desk, there is a computer, there is a printer, there is a library.